In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube workflow project in Asana. To get started, open Asana and create a new project. Name the project YouTube Workflow so it's instantly clear what this space is for. The goal here is to build a simple but effective system that helps you manage your video content from the earliest idea all the way through promotion. Keeping everything in one project makes it much easier to see what's in progress, what's ready to go, and what still needs attention. Once the project is created, set it up using column headers that reflect each stage of your content process. Create 5 columns named Idea Vault: in production, editing, ready to publish, and promoted. These columns act like a visual roadmap for your videos. Idea Vault is where you'll keep future content ideas. In production is for videos that are actively being worked on. Editing is for content that has already been recorded and is now in post-production. Ready to publish is for videos that are finished and just waiting to go live. Promoted is the final stage where you can place videos once they've been shared and distributed. After your columns are in place, create standardized subtask templates for every card. This is an important part of keeping your workflow consistent. Each card should include the same core subtasks: thumbnail, script, edit, SEO, and social snippets. By using the same subtask structure every time, you reduce the chance of forgetting something important. It also makes it easier to track progress at a glance because every video follows the same checklist from start to finish. As you begin adding content ideas or active video projects into the board, use the cards to represent individual videos. Then, as each video moves through your production process, drag the cards from left to right across the columns. Start in Idea Vault. When a concept is just an idea, move it to in production. When work begins, then into editing once the main content has been created. After everything is finalized, move it to ready to publish. And once the video has been shared and promoted, place it in promoted. This visual workflow gives you a clean, organized way to manage your YouTube pipeline. It's especially useful if you're handling multiple videos at once because you can instantly see where everything stands. Keep the board updated regularly so it stays accurate and genuinely helpful. With this setup in place, your content process becomes much more streamlined, repeatable, and easier to manage.